So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow incoming creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again. So as the tutorials or yesterday the introduction was done, today we are starting strictly, or we are just moving straight to actions. So my first question that I want to ask everybody is that what is graphic design? This is the big question we have today. Before we be able to dive into graphic design, you need to know what's the meaning of graphic design. Thank you very much. Now, graphic design, as the meaning you are seeing on your screen. So graphic design is the art and practice of creating visual content to communicate message. Yes, graphic design is the art and practice. That is an act and practice of creating visual content to communicate a message to your target audience. Yes, so graphic design, this is basically what it means. Now, visual content, the key words over here is what? Creating visual content. The visual content can be a static visual content or a motion visual content. If I say a static visual content, some of the posters, banners, flyers that we see are the static visual content, and then the motion visual content, as you are seeing, are the adverts that plays on our TV, on our screens and things. So that is it, in which they communicate a message to a target audience. Graphic designers use a combination of typography, imagery, colors, and layout techniques to draft designs that inform, inspire, and captivate audience. Yes, they put up all these elements that has been mentioned, such as typography, imagery, colors, and layout techniques to draft just to draft something that is captivative to your target audience. It is used in various fields such as the advertising, branding, web design, print media, packaging, and more. Yes, so there are a lot. So let's move on. So graphic designs covers 5 key aspects. Yes, graphic designs covers 5 key aspects, and the key aspects include 1. The visual communication, 2. Typography, 3. Color theory, 4. Layout and composition, and 5. Softwares. In other words, the applications. If you are using a computer, then you can call it a software, but in this tutorials, or for the purpose of this course, we are using our smartphone, and therefore we can call it a software. Yes, thank you very much. So we'll pick this 5 key aspects one after the other and then know what it entails. Yes, we'll pick them one after the other and know what it entails. So we pick the 5th aspect. Yes, we pick the 5th aspect, and the 5th aspect is the software or applications. And then I did a small note, and then I said that they are the tools that are used by designers to create a visual content that communicates a message to your audience. Yes, they are the tools that the graphic designers use to create a visual content to communicate a message to your target audience. And then the number 1 tool that we are going to use to create this visual content to communicate a message to our audience is the Pixel Lab. Yes, we are going to use the Pixel Lab. For the meantime, we will start with Pixel Lab, and there are a lot of softwares or applications that a lot of people use. Some use Canva, and then PixArt, a lot of them, PS Touch. They are many, but we are going to use Pixel Lab because Pixel Lab is free. It's a free software or a free applications. Other softwares or applications are paid version. Yes, you need to pay before you get them, but Plab is free. So please, this is the Plab as we are going to use it. And then the next slide, I'll show you the interface of Plab. Then I'll teach you, or I'll assist you to know the interface, what it entails, and then the tools, and then its uses. Then you pick it from there. Thank you very much. This is the Plab user interface, and guys, it's very powerful tool or application. Yes, this is the Plab interface, and if you pick this interface, you realize that it has so many tools. The top tools, which is made up of this pen in a circular shape, then this delete or recycle bin, this is the undo side, or this is the pen tool. It helps you to adjust whatever you are doing. Either you want something to come front, you want something to come back, you want to position something at the center. Yes, you want to position something at the center, and then again you want to add text and so on and so forth, edit text. And then this tool, which is a delete option, you have an opportunity to select whatever you are doing, and then if you don't want it, you delete it. Then this is the undo. Yes, to move back in case you perform an action and you want to change your mind, or you have changed your mind, you want to undo it, you go back. Then this is the zoom tool. Yes, zoom, the zoom tool. As you are seeing, zoom is the 100%. So if you want it, you just use your two fingers like this and then pinch it up. Yes, zoom it, just scale it up like this, pinch it up or pinch it down, then it will come down. Yes, pinch it down, then you click it, then go. Now you have what is called the grid, or the grid and guides. The grid and guide, it helps you to, or serve as a rulers that makes you design within a specific areas. Then you have this option with the layer panel. Yes, the layer panel, which allow you to know whatever you are doing. If you want to merge some layers, or you want to put two layers together as one, that is what is called merging layers. You want to put them together. And then again, you can also edit, copy the text here. So as I've copied, then you see I'll go there again, I'll copy, duplicate it. Then as I am moving, or as I'm arranging, it tells me the number of things I have on my screen. So I have 1, 2, 3, and indeed if you go to your layer panel, you see 1, 2, 3. So that is it. Now you have this plus sign, which gives additional details in case you want to add more text, you want to add current date, stickers, shapes, and other things, or you want to add something from your gallery, or even you want to draw. Yes, you want to draw something, you want to just draw. So you can even sign your signature over here and save it on your phone, and then convert it into either PNG or PDF form, and then use it for all your projects. Yes, so you can even erase it. Yes, can even erase it over here. So you set your eraser, then you start erasing. Basically that is it. And then I have this save option. I have this camera which serves as a save option. So if I click on it, you are seeing the save. You have opportunity to save as a project or save as an image. Yes, save as project. You have an opportunity to come and re-edit your text or your design or your project anytime you feel like doing changes to it. But save as image, it's saved into your gallery. That is it. And then this share button, you have an opportunity to save it and share on your social media handles. So that is it. Then you have this which gives you additional tests. Yes, an English test and a motivational test. You can even pick from happiness, for success, and other things from here. So that is it. Yeah, that is it. Okay, then you have these 3 dots. Yes, which perform also a function as this. Yes, you are seeing over there. And then on the side, if I come to this text side, if you want to add text, You come here, then you add it, and then you have opportunity to click on this side and then scale it up. Click on this side and scale it up, or you scroll here and then go to text size and then scale it up or increase it or reduce it, increase it, reduce it, increase it, reduce it, increase it, reduce it to your preferred size. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. Thank you very much. And then you come to this area which gives you an option to a sticker, draw, bazaar tool. In fact, bazaar tool, we'll talk about it very well in the next tutorial or in the upcoming tutorials. Now, arrow shapes. If you go to the shapes, you see this side, and then you have an opportunity to pick an existing shapes that you have drawn over there. Yes, pick an existing shape they have drawn over there. You can change the color. You can change the color, either gradient or a solid color. Yes, you can change the color to your preferred, and you can even add your own color by clicking on the plus sign here and then change the color of your or to your preferred choice. Yes, change it to your preferred choice, or push this to the side and push here, or push it here, and then just set up your own colors. And then click on OK, and then you set up your own colors. So after that, you click on OK. Then you have here which give you an option also a transparency color, and then that is at the background. So this work at the background. Yes, this work at the background. Yes, at this shape help you to adjust your background. Either you want it to be transparent or you want to change the size. Yes, you can go here and change the size to any size at all. So by purpose of tutorials, I want it to be square. Yes, if you want to change it to your preferred size, you can go here and set it to maybe 19, 20. Then you go here by either 1080 or 1080. Then click on OK. Now the size has drastically changed. I want to move back, so I go here and then pick a customized square. I go here and pick a square size, then click on OK. Then it comes back. Yes, so you have opportunity to crop it, pick image from your gallery, pick an image and then pick it from your gallery, or even take a direct camera and then use it as your background. Yes, so you have your grid, some of your grid here. You can add more grid. Yes, you can add more grid. You can add more grid to it. Yes, you can add more grid to it, and then that is it. So please, this tutorial is basically helping you to know the interface. Yes, the PixelLab user interface, their names and the parts and what they are used for. So please, I'll end here. I would not want to waste much of your time and your data. So I'll end here, and then we'll continue in the next tutorial. I love you. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and let me know how you think about this tutorial. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.